Grahak Sathi, 7 September 2024, Volume 5, Number 10. Digital Payments, Convenience and Cautions. Benefits and drawbacks of digital payments. Digital payments, including internet banking, have increased exponentially in India. Extensive use of smartphones, opening bank account for everyone, and getting internet access are some of the primary reasons. Digital payments through online banking, credit and debit cards, e-wallets, mobile banking apps, as well as online shopping for goods and services are popular among all consumers. However, with convenience and ease of use, there can be some disadvantages too if one is not careful. In this issue of Grahak Sathi, we give you some pros and cons of transacting digitally and how you can be safe while doing so. Advantages: easy of transaction. The biggest advantage of internet banking is convenience. Almost all traditional banking services are available in the internet banking. Since one doesn't have to carry cash, credit or debit cards, it also provides a safer and easier spending option. Mobile apps. All the leading banks have their mobile apps which provide even greater convenience and security for banking from your phone. Higher security. High-end data encryption and robust firewalls protect financial data from being misused in the internet banking space. There are several layers of security present in the entire internet banking system that protect data from getting into the wrong hands. Lower risk. If stolen, it is easy to block a credit card or mobile wallet remotely, but it's impossible to get your stolen cash back. Tracking spends. You can easily keep track of your account and transaction and manage the bank account from your mobile phone or computer or laptop. It also helps while filing income tax returns. Saves some money. You can even save some money by paying the exact amount without worrying about change. 24/7 customer services. You can raise queries, order checkbooks, update personal detail, and make investments sitting any time of the day throughout the week. Cashback and loyalty reward. There are the cashback and discount offered by many credit or debit cards and mobile wallet. Reward points and loyalty benefits are also available on credit or debit cards. Budgeting and investing services. Several services like financial planning, budgeting, investing, forecasting, loan calculator, equity trading application, and platform and analysis tools are present online. This helps you keep tabs on your spending, resulting in better budgeting. Tax return filing. Provision for online tax filing, ITR filing, is available on many internet banking platforms. Disadvantages. Technical issues. Digital banking depend on reliable internet connectivity and functioning devices, applications and servers. However, technical failure like network outages, app errors or server downtimes can interrupt transactions and restrict access to funds during emergencies. You may even face a difficult time if your phone is lost and you don't have enough cash with you. Internet fraud. Internet fraud is a significant drawback of digital banking as it creates opportunities for scammers to exploit sensitive information shared over public networks without physical verification. Techniques like malware, phishing, and SIM jacking enable criminals to steal data and siphon money. Even educated individuals can be victim due to new fraud tactics emerging every day. Difficult for elderly uneducated. It can be a challenge for older people or those who are not educated enough to handle online banking safely. Can lead to overspending. Easy of use and access to funds or credit in your online banking, card or mobile wallet transaction can lead to overspending if you are not careful. Threats in online transactions. Malware, corrupt data or takes unauthorized access to your system or device. Once your system is compromised, the fraudster gets access to your personal information, location, data, and financial account detail stored on your device. Phishing. An email that seems to be from a reliable source and tricks the receiver into disclosing confidential information or downloading malware by clicking on a hyperlink in the message. Phishing. Fake QR codes that trick people into visiting fraudulent websites to steal personal and financial details. Tips for safe digital transactions. Grahak Sathi brings you some easy tips to follow that will minimize your financial risk when you do online transactions. Keep your passwords secure and change them regularly. Create unique and complex passwords using letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using names, date of birth, etc. Always type the web address. Do not click on links received through mails or messages on mobile even if it claims to be from the bank. Always be sure about the correct address of the bank website and look for the lock icon on the browser status bar while visiting your bank's website. Always be sure HTTPS appears in the website address bar before making an online transaction. Log on to your net banking account using virtual keyboard. Always clear your browser cache after each session. Download bank's mobile app only from a trusted source. Third-party source apps should not be downloaded. Also ensure to regularly update your app. Do not use unsecured Wi-Fi at public places for doing online transactions. Register your phone number with your bank and subscribe to mobile notifications. These notifications will alert you quickly of any suspicious transaction or any unsuccessful login attempt to your net banking account. Never disclose your net banking password, one-time password, OTP, ATM or phone banking PIN, CVV number. Expiry date to anyone, even if they claim to be from your bank. Also never respond to mails asking for about details which seem to have been received from your bank. Do not store sensitive information such as credit card detail, mobile banking password and user ID on your phone. Review the bank and credit card statements, last transaction date and time frequently to check for any unauthorized transactions. Immediately report any discrepancy to your bank or card company. If you have been a victim of any cybercrime, immediately report to the Cybercrime Helpline number 1930 or National Cybercrime Reporting Portal www.cybercrime.gov.in. Editorial team: Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin, Chairman CERS Walter Vieira, Chief Operating Officer Anindita Mehta, Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal, Editorial Assistant Meena Bathwi. Address Consumer Education and Research Center 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra, Sakar 2, next to Alice Bridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006. Phone number 07935337262. Email address complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800-233-0222. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी, अंजन मंडल, वस्त्रापुर, अहमदाबाद 380015. वॉइस ओवर बाय आनल दवे.